50,000 Samsung factory workers just said we're done talking. And if they walk out next week, it could cost $20 billion and spike the price of basically every piece of tech you own. After 17 straight hours of government-mediated negotiations, Samsung's biggest labor union and company management walked away from the table early this morning with zero agreement. The union has now set a hard deadline. If Samsung doesn't budge, over 50,000 workers will begin an 18-day general strike starting May 21st. South Korea's prime minister literally called an emergency meeting and said this strike must be avoided at all costs. So what's the fight about? Money. Specifically, bonuses. Samsung caps employee bonuses at 50% of base salary. Their rival SK hynix removed that cap last year, and their workers started getting 3 times what Samsung employees earn. Naturally, Samsung workers are furious. They want 15% of operating profit allocated to bonuses with no cap. Here's why this matters way beyond South Korea. Samsung is only one of 3 companies on Earth that make high-bandwidth memory, the chips that power every AI data center, every NVIDIA GPU setup, every cloud computing service you use. When the union did a one-day test strike in April, Samsung's chip foundry output dropped 58% in a single shift. Memory fab production fell 18%. Now imagine 18 days of that. The union says 41,000 workers have already signed up, with numbers climbing toward 50,000. Samsung has filed a court injunction to try to block it, but analysts say even if it's granted, it'll only limit certain activities, not stop the walkout entirely. If this strike happens, expect ripple effects everywhere. AI chip delays, memory price spikes, and potential shortages hitting phones, laptops, and gaming hardware by late summer. Samsung's stock already dropped 6% on the news before recovering. Meanwhile, SK hynix stock jumped nearly 8%. The irony? Samsung's refusal to pay workers more might end up costing them $20 billion. 50,000 workers, 18 days, $20 billion on the line. This might be the most expensive labor dispute in tech history. Drop a comment. Should Samsung just pay up? Like, subscribe, and I'll keep you updated when this goes down on the 21st.